This conference will now be recorded.
Good afternoon, dear students. Hope my screen is visible. So good afternoon, dear students. Let us start the class. So 36 students have come. So let others join. Okay. So students, actually have put the entire unit in one PPT. Okay. I shall take you all through all these slides. So it covers the entire first unit. And after the class, I shall forward this PPT to you all. You can have it for the reference. So students, what I wanted to tell is, I have already given the class code. You can make a note in the last slide. So here is the last slide. Please make a note of the class code, and please do join the class by today. Please make note of the class code. So please join the class using this class code. Okay, Google Classroom. So after this class, I shall upload this particular PPT in the Google Classroom so that you can use it and you can study it for the for your reference. You can have it. Okay, so please make a note of this, students. This is my mail ID. Okay, and this is my Google Classroom link, and the Google code is this one, HHG2BZC. Okay, so all the materials regarding the computer networks, I'll be posting it here, students. Okay, so you can have a look on it. Okay, so immediately after this class, I have the complete prepared the complete first unit PPT for you all, so that you can have a look on it. Okay, so it consists of 94 slides, students, so you can have a look on it. Okay, that is why please make a note of it. So once you are done with making the note of it, I can go to the slide 1. So students, have you made a note of it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good, students, good. Okay, so let us enter into the first slide. So students, this is, let me quickly brush up on what all we discussed. Okay, so students, course outcomes we have discussed in the first unit. If you see, we have the introduction. So introduction we have already covered. If you see the syllabus, students, introduction, network types. In the network types, we have already discussed LAN, WAN, MAN. Okay, so TCP IP protocol suits. In that, we have discussed physical, data link layers, network layer, transport layer, and application layer. Okay, so in the first unit, dear students, it is only the introduction of all these types of layers. Okay, so we have already discussed that, and the layer OSI reference model. Okay, and we have already discussed about this also. Okay, so this is the portion we have left with, that is network topologies, transmission media. Okay, circuit switch networks, packet switching. Okay, so the first unit is really simple. Okay, so nothing much to worry about the first unit, students. So already we have discussed on the introduction of networking and the different layers, that is the data layer, the physical layer, the application layer, the transport layer. Okay, and all these layers, introduction of it, and that is what is the first unit. And then we have the LAN, WAN, MAN. Okay, and then we have different topologies to be studied, that I'll be covering it today. Okay, so different topologies and the switching circuits. Okay, so only 2 or 3 topics is left out, dear students, because your first unit is very simple. We'll be able to finish it fast. Okay, and students, you can have a look on the PPT once I share it with you all. If you have any doubts, you can get back to me. Clear? So quickly reminding, students, let us quickly rewind. So all these days we spoke about what is networking, right? The basics of networking, and we all came to know that networking is everywhere. Networks support the way we learn, networks support the way we communicate, networks support the way we work, networks support the way we play, right? So we know that networking plays a major role, and we all gave so much of examples to know that all these has a greater impact on our human lives, right? So if at all they ask you a question, students, because tomorrow we don't know, like it will be an MCQ test or we'll have a descriptive type. Okay, so anything they ask you, you must be in a position to answer. Clear? So if they ask you to give the importance of networking, so you must be in a position to give the answer. Clear? So networking is everywhere. Network support the way we learn, way we communicate, the way we work, so way we play. So everywhere, students, we know that we're totally dependent on the network these days, right, students? So you cannot see anyone walking without a mobile phones, right? So that is the impact of networking these days. Okay, So we already had a network definition. We gave that. Networking is the connection of two or more nodes connected together by means of the communication links, right? So node can be a computer, printer, or any other device capable of sending or receiving data generated by other nodes in network, right, students? So we already discussed this. So students, because I've prepared, added up all this in the PPT, I'm just taking you all to the PPT, okay? And where we have to start. So we'll have to start today the network topologies. So before that, just a recap of what we have learned all these classes. Okay, so as I was saying, students, we have already discussed network is the connection of two or more nodes, right? So the node can be a computer, a printer, or any other device capable of sending or receiving the data generated by other nodes in the network, right? So it is a mutual communications. So example for node, students, I would have given here: computers, server, printer, camera, switches, bridges, and routers. Clear? So these are all the examples for the nodes. Okay, so communication link can be wired or wireless, right, students? We have already discussed about this. So wired, I gave you an example for telephone, and wireless, we have numerous examples, and one best example is our cell phones, right? So wired link is via the cable, and wireless link is via the air. We all know this, right, students? And that is why it is named as wired and wireless, right? So basically it is used to carry the information. Clear? So components of, coming to this slide, this indicates the components of the computer network. So if you see the nodes, students, so the nodes I would have split it into two types: end nodes, that is end devices. What is our end devices? And this nodes is nothing but our intermediary devices, right, students? So what is that particular intermediate devices that is acting between the starting and the end of the nodes? Okay, so we have end nodes as examples: computers, network printers, cameras, smartphone, tablets, PDAs, card reader, barcode scanner, etc. So these are all the end nodes, right? The destination nodes, correct, students? So intermediary devices, we know what all acts as an intermediary devices, right? So we were talking about switches, routers, hubs, bridges, okay, repeaters, cell tower, security devices like a firewall. Okay, so all these are our intermediate devices, because we know that it enhances the process, right, students, between the source and the destination. So these are all called as your intermediary devices. Clear? Now coming to media, so in the media we have wired medium, which is called as the guided medium, and we also have medium, students, which is called as unguided medium. Okay, there are two types, so wired and wireless medium. Okay, so example for a guided medium, that is what is the other topic which is going to come in our first unit. So whenever they ask about the guided medium, students, see, always I'll tell you, we have certain knowledge about our first unit, right, students? The introduction of networking, what is the importance of networking, all this, right? So if they ask something about the networking, okay, and something about the wired medium, you can write your information as in wise of points. Okay, no writing in case of paragraphs, right? All the point wise description. Clear? So wired medium, also called as the guided medium. So the examples for this could be Ethernet straight through cable, Ethernet crossover cable, fiber optic cable, coaxial cable, and USB cable. Okay, so students, all these are wired medium, right? And these guides us to some process. Clear? And what about the wireless medium, students? And these wireless mediums is called as unguided medium. Correct? So it is called as the unguided medium. So what is the unguided medium? So the unguided medium is infrared, example TV remote, radio, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, microwaves, example your cellular system, satellite, example long range communication like your GPS. Okay, so these are some of the wireless medium. Okay, so you can, if they ask you the short notes, you can describe exactly what is wireless medium. It is also called as unguided medium, right? And you can describe about all these examples. Okay, so computer network, students, as I told you, you have nodes. We saw the example. We also have end nodes and intermediary nodes that I gave you all the example. And we have various medium that's called as the wired medium and the wireless medium. So examples for that also has been given. And what are the services? So talking about the services, you have several services, right? Email, file sharing, storage services, instant messaging, online game, voice over IP, video telephoning, and browsing, right? So all these are different services that we are enjoying, right, dear students? So all these facilities we are using, right? We are emailing, we are sharing our files, we are storing our documents, we are messaging, right? We are calling, we are doing video call, we are doing voice call, right? We are playing, we are browsing, right? So all these facilities, what all I've described in the services, all of us are enjoying it, right, students? We are all using it in a day-to-day life basis, right? So these are all the components of a computer network. So you can imagine, students, how much we are connected to the computer world and what are all the facilities that networking is providing us, right? So you can always draw the block diagrams, okay? So even if it is a theory question, a complete theory question, you can, make it attractive with more presentation skills by including block diagrams wherever required, right? And you can make your answers more attractive. Clear? So students, this is an example for computer networking. So we have a range of networking that is being connected between different devices, right? We have switches, we have desktop, we have PCs, we have smartphones, we have Wi-Fi routers, we have PCs connected in ring fashion, which we are going to study what it is. We have a server, we have scanner, printer, switch, everything connected in a single network, right? So you can see that how the networking is enormous, right, students, and how it forms a closed loop connecting all the devices together, correct? So students, you can just draw a blocks of it and mention that this is a router, another block. You need not really draw a router because it is all time consuming. And if you're very good at drawing, maybe you can draw a simple structure of a router, okay? Otherwise, the block diagram, of the computer network, you can just draw the blocks and name it. Like, router, switches, printer, desktop, laptop, mobile phone, everything being connected together, okay? So coming to characteristics of computer network, okay? So it has to be, what are the characteristics, students, when we are choosing some network, right? So we know that, as I was telling you, students, in our college these days, Jio is doing really good. Airtel is also, you has less or poor connectivity these days. I know it was good once upon a time. So what happens, when you start working in college, you start thinking of, let me port to Geo, or let me take another connection. This all comes when our network connectivity is not good, right? So as a user, what are the characteristics that we will aspire if we are choosing a computer network? That is what is the characteristic of computer network, okay? So students, here, fault tolerance, okay? Continue working despite of failures, okay? And ensure no loss of service, right? Everybody requires the same. For example, students, we are all watching TV, and we're all watching our favorite channels, maybe Sun TV, Sun Music, or whatever it is, a comedy channel or whatever. So something happens and interruption happens because of the weather conditions or whatever it is. It goes for a blank for a minute. You become so restless, right, students? Not you, all of us, we just think, when the connection will come back, okay? So these days we hardly have time to watch TV, students. I'm just giving you an example. You guys have a class, we're all dancers. You guys have your assignments, your placement activities, and you guys, I'm saying, if something up when we're watching something busy with all those things, but still we'll be so what connection is this, what interruption happens, so restless, what network is this, right? So we all start blaming, right, students? So flawless, what to say, telecast of whatever program we are watching, right? So that is fault tolerance, okay? Continue working despite of failures, ensure no loss of service, right? That is what we require, right, dear students? And for example, another example which is coming to my mind connecting with this to fault tolerance is, students, see, supposing if it is raining today, okay, you can see here it is raining in Sundrapuram, okay? It was drizzling right from the morning. And students, if it is little more heavier rain, what we'll think immediately? Oh God, power shouldn't go, right? This is what all of us think, right? So there should not be any power loss, and we immediately check, our phone balance, right? So that having enough enough our phone will withstand all if we see that all our activities, right? So this is what we ensure, right, students? So this is all related to the things, right? Power shouldn't go when the weather is bad, right? Next is scalability. So needs have good based on performance even after growth. Okay, so scalability grow of the product. For example, students, we have this what to say. All think we go for how we go for things. We like how that people say it is good performance. It will perform well. Okay, so this sort of comments will really help us to go for the product in the market, right, students? Even if you're going for the car, buying a new car, you will ask others, right, which car to go, which will give me a good mileage, and which is good enough, which will be best on the roads. Okay, all these we ask and money then. So that is the scalability of a product, right? Even if it is a network connection, even if you're going to buy a laptop, you just don't blindly go and buy a laptop, right, students? Or mobile phones or whatever it is, you ask for the people, you get the reviews, and you go you think that whatever money you pay should be worth it, right? So that is called as the scalability. So grow based on the needs. Okay, and and if that is really good, if the product which you bought is really good, you recommend for others. இது ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்கு, இது வாங்கிக்கோங்க, right? So this is how we do the scalability of that particular product, right, students? So set priorities. Okay, quality of services, set priorities, manage data traffic to reduce data loss, delay, etc. Okay, so this is students, we know that it all depends upon the network connection which we have, right? So without there is any traffic, the data should not be lost and there should not be any delay. So this all depends upon the type of networking we choose, and this will become one of the parameters that we select, right? இப்படி இருக்கணும். Okay, right, students? Even if you're going to watch a movie, right, you will have certain priorities, right? So in the movie இப்படி இருக்கணும், கொஞ்சம் action இருக்கணும், கொஞ்சம் drama oriented இருக்கணும், கொஞ்சம் family based இருக்கணும். So in the Mari movies we like to watch, right, students? So similarly, and you will ask the other people who's already watched the movie, is the movie good, right? So you will take all the reviews only, then you go for that particular movie, right? Adhe Marieda, when we talk about the characteristic of a computer network, it should be flawless, continuous work agano. There should be any loss of service irukakudadu. Then it should be a good product, and there should not be any traffic jams, there should not be any delay in circulating the data, right? So in the condition irundha mattunda we say it is a characteristic of a computer network. Okay, so security, of course, dear students, everybody in this world, especially in this digital era, when there is no much safety for your data, right? Because we know that hacking has become so major, a crucial role in these in this era. So everything needs a security, right? Confidentiality, integrity, availability. So all these are another things which a customer relies on, right, students? So everybody needs a security, right? So it's because you think certain things are personal to you, right, students? Even if it is our a family bondage, we think that it is a personal matters, right? So we feel that we need to have a security for that, right, students? So even if it is your cell phones, you'll put a special lock, a special pattern, thinking that certain things has to be avoided from the unknown people, right? So that is a sort of security that we deserve. And these days, students, in spite of all the security, people are there to take out all the passwords and encrypt whatever data they want to do. That is there, because technology is advancing in that way also. But still, this is one of the characteristic. So characteristic of a computer network is this clear, students? So if at all there is a question, write the characteristic of a computer network. So all these points must be your answer. So any doubts in this topic? Students, is this clear what I explained about the characteristic of computer network? Students, Manasa, Ashwin, Yuvaraj, Santosh, is this concept clear what I'm explaining to you all? So you can answer me. You can put your message in the text box. Yes. Okay, Manasa, good. So at least be active in your chat box, students. Okay, so students, as I've told you, because our subject is theoretical subject, I expect you all to reciprocate and interact. Okay, so students, I could see today 53 is come out of 59. So how many absent? 6 of them absent, right? So students, see to that, don't miss your classes. That is what I wanted to tell you all again and again. Okay. So students, let us come to the data communication. And then we spoke about the data communication. So what all we spoke, students? We spoke about how the data is being exchanged, right? So how the packet of information is being exchanged. Maybe it is through wire or through wireless medium, right? Through cable or through air. Okay. So the other class I told you all about the simplex, half duplex and the full duplex. Okay. So all these communication differs from each other, how the data is being flowing, right students? In simplex, how the data flows. In half duplex, how the data flows. In full duplex, how the data flows, right students? So in case of the simplex, what exactly happens, as I told you, you have a keyboard, right students? You type something, so whatever you type will come on your screen, right? It's a one-way communication, right? So here I'll communicate, so the information is fast and it is displayed, right? So half duplex is at a time only one information can be sent, right? Like your walkie-talkie, right students? And another example which I gave is the fax machine, right students? So in one direction alone, you have the data to be sent. Okay. So vice versa, it doesn't happen. Clear? But in case of full duplex students, as I told you, the phone, the cell phone, the example, simultaneously, parallelly, the data can be transferred from receiver to sender, sender to receiver, right? So parallelly, now when I'm speaking, students, you can interrupt and ask me a question, right? So this is also is a two-way communication, and that is called as full duplex. Okay. So data communication happens in the way how our data is being flowing, right? So we have one way, we have, two way, and we have one at a time, right? One way is a simplex, one at a time in one direction, a data flows only at one direction. Okay. So in one direction is called as the half duplex, and full duplex is the direction of data is, towards both the sides, from receiver to sender, sender to receiver. Clear? So this is called as data communication. And students, in the subject computer networks, your answers, if it is a descriptive type, ensure that your answers is supported by diagrams, right? So this is the subject which requires enough explanation regarding the devices. So definitely you should involve any of the diagrams. Okay, don't blindly write your answers. Okay. So even as I told you, students, you need not draw that particular device. You can write a block, okay, and tell that this is mouse or this is keyboard, okay. So and how this connects, okay. So that relevancy, if you maintain, that is enough. Clear? So going to the next topic. So protocols, okay. So we have spoken about the protocol, students. All communications have these things in common: source, sender, destination, receiver, communication channel or media, right? So these communications are governed by set of rules for communication called as protocol. Okay. So students, as I was telling you, students, IP address has to be written in its own fashion or typed in its own fashion, right? I cannot go and just write in words IP address of our college system. I cannot go and write like this, right? It has a unique code, and that is being understood by the networking, right? So these communications are governed by a set of rules for communication, and that is called as the protocol. Okay. So students, now I am communicating to you all in English, right? So you understand this particular language. If I take in class, say in Hindi, so I think nobody will understand, right, students? Because in Tamil Nadu, I know there is no much influence to the Hindi language, okay. But but I don't say not everyone understand, but still, the common language which all the students will understand should be spoken, right? So this is our protocol of communication, right? This is our rules of communication. Yes or no, students? So if I at the most I can talk in Tamil or English, so that I can ensure that you guys are understanding. So that is the protocol of a subject, right? Yes, students. Similarly, all the networking systems have a communication based with or governed with a set of rules for communication, and that is called as the protocols, right? So coming to protocols in network communication. So we have message encoding, message formatting and encapsulation, message timing, message size, message delivery options. Okay. So as I told you, students, these protocols work in a different way with different devices. Clear? So it is unique with its own unique device. Clear? So A large number of separate but interconnected computers to the job is called as your computer networks. So two computers are said to be interconnected if they are able to exchange information. The connection need not be via a copper wire, fiber optics, microwaves, infrared, and communication satellites also can be used. They are usually connected together to make larger networks with internet. Okay, so these were the gist of the computer networks. Okay, now coming to students, what are the uses of computer networks? So we'll start with the traditional uses at companies, then move on to the home networking and recent developments regarding mobile phones and finish with social issues. Okay, so we have business applications, home applications, mobile uses, and social applications, right, students? So networking students, we know that all the fields now, you take even the textile industry, you take even the automobile industry. So every communications, how much of products they're developing, how much order they're receiving, what is their invoice, and all these informations. Do you think they're doing everything in the recordical basis? No, everything is via the software. They're doing it via their own unique app. Okay, their own unique, patent app maybe, or they're using some source of online tools or something. Okay, so everything has been changed, students. It's not like, olden days where they have a record of everything written on the books. Those days are gone, right? So everything is being converted into what to say, a soft copy of records. Maybe it is production, cost, or orders, or invoice orders, or whatever it is, purchase orders, or whatever it is. You guys know, right? So maybe it is related to the business, maybe it is related to the home applications, mobile applications, social applications. So everything is based on networking, right, students? So nobody has anything in a fingertips. Students, if you could, if you are able to comprehend, before the cell phones used to come, we used to make our brains tuned to have so many things stored in our minds, right? So once the usage of mobile phones came into a very larger extent, students, our memories started, being short. What to say? Became not that very, intelligent, because we used to store so many things because we are not used to these mobile phones before. Now because we have cell phones, we set a reminder, we take up notes, we even the grocery items what we have to buy, we make a note of it, right, students? So that is how life is changed, right? So everybody, maybe very old people may be still used to writing in that pen and paper and all, right, students? Having a documentation of their household things, everything in the what to say, hardware type of thing. Otherwise we are all shifted to mobile phones, right, students? We're all shifted to a networking pattern where life is become more simpler, right, students? So the applications is home applications, social applications, business applications, everything has become used with networking. And students, you also know that these days shopping also is done online, right? And it has become so high these days because of this pandemic issue, that nobody goes for the offline shopping, right? So everything is become an online oriented, the lifestyle as such, right, students? So coming to the business applications. Okay, so dear students, I just tell you all, I just want to share you all a joke. I don't know whether you'll find it as a joke, but I'll just, because something related to a subject it came, I'm just sharing it to you all. So I think yesterday I happened to see a sort of this one video. It was put in our group, our family group. Okay, so one of my cousin forwarded. So in that it was the lifestyle is becoming so much in online mode, that once we in later stages, if at all you wanted to see a girl for getting married, or girls if you wanted to see a guy for getting married, it will be like the talk conversation is something like this. So a female tells on the phone, my daughter on TikTok has so many likes and she's having so many subscribers. Okay, so we are looking forward for a guy who has more subscribers than this. Okay, and has so many views and have so many likes and shares. Okay, and she also communicates telling that we rejected one guy because he didn't have as much as likes and shares and subscribers as that of my daughter. Okay, so we'll have to see more likes and subscribers than my daughter's subscribers. Otherwise there'll be a lot of problems in the family. This is how the talk goes. Okay, so we'll start seeing a girl or boy in future by seeing how much of likes they have, how much of, whether they own a channel in YouTube or, TikTok or whatever it is, whether they have, their own subscribers and they're earning like that. Okay. So this was just a video on, some funny clips on it. Okay. So that is how, the lifestyle is going to change. It's already been changed, right, students? Everything has become online these days, right? So right from the shopping to anything, right, students? And that is how the lifestyle is, and that is what is the applications of our networking. Okay. So business applications, dear students, as I told, you have a client, you have a network, you have a server. Okay. And the social sharing is happening between two clients and one server. Okay. So this is just an example for the business application. Clear? Then you have, how the communication takes the form of a client process sending a message over the network to the server process. Okay. The client process then waits for the reply message. When the server process gets the request, it performs the requested work or looks up the requested data and sends back a reply. These messages are shown. Okay. So these are the messages that has been showed here. Clear? Understood? These are the business applications. Okay. So telephone calls between employees may be carried by the computer network instead by the phone company. This technology is called as IP telephony or the voice over IP, VoIP, when internet technology is used. Okay. So these are some of the applications, dear students, that has been used by the employees in the business applications, right, students? Now, for example, I can say you all students, now we are, you guys are studying in SCCE. So all of us is being bonded with the, the network suite of SCCE, right? So we have a unique email IDs also given, right, students? We are all given with our SCCE IDs, right? So that is because we work as an organization, and that is the business protocol, or that is the institution protocol that we have to follow, right? So I asked you people, you guys have to enter into the Google Classroom. I gave you the Google Classroom code, right? So you are supposed to enter the Google Classroom code with your official mail IDs, right, students? It is understood, right? You can't join the Google Classroom with your personal email ID, because I'm not given an authority to join you guys with your personal mail ID, right? Why? Because the process, the process for me is, it becomes much simpler if I stick on to the institutional protocols, right, students? To make our jobs done easier, that is why all this is done at the background. Clear? Okay, students, getting back to the home appliances, I may not tell you all. Okay, so internet access provides home users with connectivity to remote computers. As with companies, home users can access information, communicate with other people, and buy products and services with e-commerce. It can be surfing the world wide web for information. Many newspapers have gone online and can be personalized. Students, how many of you all have seen newspapers online, students? Have you guys checked the online newspapers? How many of y'all have, read the online newspapers? How many of y'all have gone through the online newspapers? You can share your views. Yes, students. Nobody have seen the online newspaper? Yes, students. Yes, I want to reply. I told you all, please be interactive in the class and ensure that you guys talk something, even if it is wrong or even if it is, silly or whatever it is. So staying quiet like this, I really don't like. So guys, you all had a great interaction in the first class. You all gave a great interaction about you all. Okay, Premnath is coming and going, coming and going. I don't know what Premnath's problem is. Anila, can you answer me, Anila? Have you seen the online newspaper? Anila, are you there? So students, one more
The
thing,
online newspaper in the sense
uh,
websites, ma'am.
yes, Tushar.
Online newspaper in sense like websites, ma'am.
Yes, you can get it in websites, you can get it in apps, you can get it in any platform, Tushar. what I'm saying is, have you seen the online, that is our paper which we read as in hard copy, the same thing will come as a soft copy for you all. Okay, so many people now, why I asked is this, Tushar, Anila has answered me in the private. Okay, so Premnath is saying, in my area due to rain. Oh, Premnath is having network issues. Okay, Premnath, no issues. Okay, so I saw you coming in and going out, that is why I asked. Okay, students, no, why I'm saying is, students, many of them, especially in this last 1 year, from last March, we are in the pandemic issue, so many of the people, many percentage of people have shifted to online newspapers. Okay, so I just wanted to know whether you people have shifted to online newspaper, that is why I asked. Okay, and students, because of the severity of the disease, everybody don't wanted to touch the papers which has been circulated over all over the places and coming to our homes. So that is why many people shifted to online newspapers. And students, electronic book readers and online libraries may make printed books obsolete. Okay, so when you say obsolete, students, it is nothing but gradually it will become, it will vanish from the world. That is called as obsolete. Okay, so electronic books or e-books and all, because students, now because we are having online classes, if you guys, if I send you a e-book, okay, on computer networks, you guys will be comfortable. Okay, you guys have slowly started moving from that sort of, if this continues, students, no other go, we'll all become so used to the e-books, right? Already for the last semester I've shared the e-books. Okay, so you guys normally, casually, you guys without your knowledge get shift to, if ebook is there, you guys become comfortable. Okay, so what happens, ebook is nothing but the once we get as a hard copy is called as the ebooks, but still we are not used to that sort of exposure. Okay, so what home applications comes in future is, obviously what happens, ebooks will become so prominent that will slowly vanish, it will becomes obsolete, because libraries are what to have the hard copies of the book. If that is not there, then who will go to the libraries, right, students? It has become like that. Clear? Now, much of this information is accessed using the client server model, but there is different popular model for accessing information that goes by the name of peer-to-peer communication. Clear? So you can write many more things about home application, students. And if you see, students, now you can see many new houses which is being constructing have lights working on the sensor basis, and also the the wash basin that you see usually in the hotels and the students, right? When you just forward your hands, the water just flows out of the sensors, and that has been started installed in the newly built houses also, right? So gradually what happens, students, the tap or the pipe which we turn and open, it all becomes obsolete. When more number of population goes to choose this, obviously what happens, gradually on time, what happens, all the older facilities goes off, or it goes in vain. Clear? So that is what is the advancement of all these communications. Okay, so peer-to-peer communication. So what is peer-to-peer communication, students? In this form, individuals who form a loose group can communicate with others in the group. Okay, so it is a group-to-group communication. Okay, so individuals who form a loose group can communicate with others in a group. Okay, as shown here, every person can in principle communicate with other or more people. There is no fixed division into clients and services. Okay, so that is called as peer-to-peer system, and there is no fixed clients or services here. So peer-to-peer communication is often used to share music and videos. One of the most popular internet applications of all is email, right? Is inherently the peer-to-peer communication, right, students? I need not tell much about this. Instant messaging, you guys know instant messaging, irrespective, if you have to have a peer-to-peer communication, if you don't know the person also, you can text to that person, right? So multi-person messaging services too, such as Twitter service, right? The internet can be used by applications to carry audio, example internet radio stations, and videos, example your YouTube. Okay, between person to person communications and accessing information are all social applications like Facebook, right, students? Right, so you have in Facebook, guys, I need not tell you, you guys get friend request. Okay, so it is up to you to go and confirm that persons, right? It is all peer-to-peer communications, right? So we ensure that we know the person and only then accept his request, right, students? So it is up to us to hold on to the security, facilities, and you can guard your profile pictures, right, students? There are many facilities in the Facebook. Okay, so that is all an example for the peer-to-peer communication. Okay, so mobile users, people on the go often want to use their mobile devices to read and send email, tweet, watch movies, download music, play games, or simply to surf the web for information, right? Cellular networks operated by the telephone companies are one familiar kind of wireless network that blankets us with the coverage for mobile phones, right? Wireless hotspot based on 802.11 standard are another kind of wireless network for mobile computers. GPS, M-commerce, NFS, wearable computers. Okay, so these are some of something about the mobile users. Okay, so what are the applications of the mobile phones, why do you use a mobile phones, okay, and how they are operated on the telephone companies. So all these are the mobile users. Okay, so dear students, we also spoke about the classification of the computer networks based upon the personal area network, the local area network, the metropolitan area network, and the wide area network. Okay, so students, why I thought of refreshing all that we have taken is, okay, we have left out with one or two topics alone, because one is the network topologies, okay, and then is your packet systems, that is all. Okay, so what I thought is, I have 94 slides that covers your entire first unit. So I thought, again, I'll start a refreshment from the beginning. Okay, so once we complete the other two topics, your first unit will be over, because it's a very simple unit. And here, as I told you, students, it's all introduction to the new devices. Even if it is the layers, it's all introduction. Clear? So that is what is your first unit. Because it's an introduction, we have only simple things to study in the first unit. Clear? So students, we were talking about LAN, WAN, MAN, right? So what is PAN? Okay, PAN is personal area networks. Okay, so it let devices communicate over the range of a person. A common example is a wireless network that connects a computer with its peripherals. Okay, so it is a connection that we do over a personal area. Okay, so students, we gave a lot of examples for the local area, the wide area, the metropolitan area, right? So here, the shortest distance is between a personal area of ours, right, students? Now I'm sitting in a closed room. Okay, I have access to you all within this limit, right, students? And I have a laptop, I have a mouse, I have a what to say, I have a power bank next to me. Okay, because students, as a safety or one backup, I've kept my power bank ready, because one or two times in the morning the power went because of the weather, as I was telling you, but it immediately came. But still, our class should not be disturbed, so I've kept a power bank next immediate. Okay, so I have the mobile phone charged in it. Okay, so that it should not drop. So all these facilities is the facilities that I'm making to make my work or task go smoothly, right? So this is a small area, and this is called as the personal area of mine, right, students? Even you guys will be sitting in a personal area now at your home, right? So if you will be with your mobile phone, that is your destination, that's it. Okay, and if you will be sitting with your lap, okay, I don't know how many of you all have on and gone somewhere, right? So students, we cannot I can just assume things, right, students, because it's an online class. I can just have a assumption. But if you're sincerely attending, students, you're not doing some favor on me. Instead, you are doing a great, what to say, a blessing to yourself. Okay, because you guys know classes are much important, students. And as I've told you, your placements are coming, and your interaction with the placement team has to be good. And you have to speak in your HR rounds, students. If you think, why should I speak in the class? What will I get by speaking in the class? Okay, for each and everything, if you think there must be a root cause or I should be get benefited, then it's very difficult to live in this world, students. Okay, there must be certain things that you do in nothing in turn of returns. Okay, you should not expect any returns. For your self development, for your nourishing yourself, you will have to do many things. Okay, so that is why I'm asking you people to interact in the class. Okay, so your interaction now, Tushar always takes an initiative. I'm really happy with that guy. Okay, so you might think, why should I unmute and talk? Let ma'am ask anyone. There are 79 of them, sorry, 59 of them. 59 of them. Why should I take personal interest? So if you think and question for each and everything like this, students, you are hindering your growth. Understand that, okay? So you are stopping yourself from growing, okay? So students, if you don't come forward with asking doubts, or or giving your views, okay, maybe as I told you, let others think whatever they want, okay, but coming out and speaking, opening up yourself, has a long way to go, okay? In tomorrow when you go to a company, all these are the leadership qualities which will attract your manager to make you as a team lead, okay, in the future, okay? But simply, you have all qualities, but you don't have a leadership qualities, will be a great question mark, okay? So you have technically sound, you have good communication skills, okay, but you don't know to manage people, and you don't know to communicate, definitely you will not get a chance, okay? And that time you should not be classes. I could have made use of all my time that I with my faculty members, my teams, fellow mates, okay, by talking, interacting, when they keep presentation sessions, discuss with your friends, okay? Don't waste all these students, because everything what you contribute now will definitely reflect in your future, okay? So this will make you all in future the CEO of the companies, good managers, good what to say, a team lead, good whatever it is, area managers, or whatever post you get is all because of how you feed yourself. Yeah. So when I ask you something, because students, I am little bit disappointed when you guys stay quiet, okay? I don't know why, because you just imagine I can talk hours together, students. That is not a problem for me, okay? You want me to talk, I will talk and talk, okay? Because I love talking, I love sharing things, okay? So that doesn't mean, students, want me talking monotonously, I won't be happy, okay? But I can talk, okay? No issues with me to talking, okay? I have content to talk, I can keep talking, but I expect you all to reciprocate, acknowledge that, right? That is how the classes has to be, right, dear students? And this is what your parents also will like. Even you interacting from your home, you talking something to the faculty members, you asking some doubts, or you giving answers, your parents will be happy from the other end, yes or no? Simply sitting in the sitting and seeing the screen, listening to the faculty, they'll not be really happy, right, students? So you can just ask your parents. If you talk, really, if I ask Tusha's mother, she feel happy. அவன் என்னமோ பேசுறான், faculty கேட்கும்போது என்னமோ answer பண்றா, so என்னமோ பண்றா பையன். That will be their view, okay? If you don't talk, definitely students, there'll be a lot of lack of communication, okay? So please do share your views. Talk. I am saying you can talk anything. I'm not going to scold you people. As I told you, students, just for attendance sake, please don't come to the class. I will give you all attendance. I'm not kind of the person who's going to crucify you for not coming to the class or something. I wanted the ones who thinks this class is important and this helps me to grow. And don't prioritize the class, dear students. Don't think that CSE subject, yes, this will be helpful for me for the placement, let me go out. And no, each and everything which is there in your syllabus has some cost to serve, okay? So think in that sense, and don't be very calculative on what is, oh, this is what is good for me, this is not good for me. No, this is not the time to judge everything, okay? Accept what comes in your way. Clear? So participate in the class, give your views, okay? Now if you don't know, also give your views, okay? Ma'am, I don't know, like if you have some other idea, share it, okay? Let all others listen to it, hear to it. Clear, students? And because you guys are very silent, this is making me to tell repeatedly again and again, okay? So students, this is what is let me come back to the class. So this is what is PAN, okay? So personal area network is within a closed limit, okay? So student, can you all just give me another example for the personal area network? So can you all give me an example, any other example for the personal area network? It can need not be something related to the computer. Ashwin, you wanted to tell something?
Home Wi-Fi, ma'am.
Home Wi-Fi, very good, very good, very good, Ashwin. Excellent example. Home Wi-Fi, students, you all know what is the limit and what is the range of coverage. So that is your personal area network. Excellent, Ashwin, very good. Okay, any other examples? Personal hotspot. Vikas is saying personal hotspot. Very good, Vikas. Okay, personal hotspot is another beautiful example for personal area network. Excellent. Tushar, Bluetooth. Yes, Tushar, absolutely, your Bluetooth. Okay. So you know how this personal area is going to help you, involve with the task, complete that particular process, or help you with, that particular process. Excellent, excellent. Beautiful example, students. All these examples you can give in your PAN, the personal area network. Okay. As you told, the Bluetooth or your personal hotspot and your Wi-Fi, all these are excellent examples, students. When you give the example, students, based upon the marks, you can see the marks, and based on your marks, you can just draw the, diagrams. If it's not really tough, you can just draw out the structure of that particular devices. Okay. So this will really help you all to get good marks. Okay. Especially the subject like computer networks. And students, as I always tell you all, don't, have a thought of, it is going to be MCQ. If I just pick any of the options, that is done. Okay, we never know what will happen tomorrow, students, because we are all in this pandemic issue. We are not knowing what is happening tomorrow, right, students? So please get prepared for the worst condition. You must
அந்த பொண்ணு செஞ்ச
answer if I ask you something. Hopefully MCQ.
பொண்ணுங்கன்னா எனக்கு பிடிக்காதுன்னு வச்சுக்க, அது உனக்கும் தெரியும். ஆனா என் பொண்டாட்டிக்கு ஒரு ஆபத்து, அவளுக்கு ஒரு சான்ஸ் சொல்லணும்னு தோணுது. வரும்போது அவளை கூப்பிட்டு இருந்திருக்கலாம்ல. ஒருவேளை இங்கதான் வேலை செய்யறாங்க,
தெரிஞ்சவங்களை யாரையும் சேர்த்திருக்கேன்னு சொன்னா அவங்க கூட தான்.
சரி, இங்க இருந்தா நீ கூப்பிட்டு வந்திருக்கலாம்ல. நான் ஒரு தேங்க்ஸ் சொல்லிருப்பேன்.
நான் கூப்பிட்டேங்க, அவளும் கூட தான் வந்தா. அதுக்குள்ள டாக்டர் கூப்பிடுறாங்கன்னு சிஸ்டர் சொன்னதுனால அவ போயிட்டாங்க.
சரி சரி சரி.
Shweta, it's really, I don't know whether to laugh or to scold or what to do, but it's really funny. Shweta is keeping some cereal for us, I think. So let's all have a stress buster here. Okay. She wants to relieve all the stress. Okay. Right from the morning, you guys are listening to the class. So maybe she's on and had some interesting part there. Okay. So students, I think we'll wind up the class for now, and tomorrow we'll continue. Okay. So students, as I told you, we'll continue from the personal area networks, so that we can complete, our first unit will be completed in next 2 or 3 hours, students, because as I told you, it's all basics in the first unit. So tomorrow from the personal area network, I shall again brush up all of the concepts and go to the topologies. Okay, the network topologies, our next topic. Clear? So thank you so much, dear students. Thank you for patiently listening to me. So we'll meet in the next class. Have a great day.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
This conference will now be recorded.